here is a nice little crawdad. We captured him out of the swimming pool, and now he's about to run like a circus freak. Come on, little buddy. Show me what you've got. What do you have for me? Tell me what you have, Crawl. Oh, what's that? A wall? Can you escape it? Are you walking in reverse? Do you know how to battle me? Or perhaps I look like something large.
He's probably really scared.
Never be scared, young man.
Should we cook him?
Never. Jump in. Come on,
You gotta
get
put
in.
it behind him. He walks backwards, remember?
Get into my boot scoot. Here, this is a boot scoot. Yes, scoot on in. There you go. Nice fella.
Oh, now he walks forwards. He likes his bed.
It's nice to have a pet such as you. I hope you don't die. Uh-oh. Hold on, little fella. I got you. Look at there. How do you do?
We got to do something with him. I don't know what. Maybe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dangling, are we?
He's a stunt crawdad.
You're a stunt, Master Flex. I'll put you down. And
He
then I
doesn't
will
stay.
run after you. Let's go with me, bitch. I will drag you everywhere I want.